Hi, welcome to Maptive. In this tutorial, we're going to give you a quick overview of map settings, what you can do and what's in there. Map settings is on the gears on the left-hand side, just below the Map Tools toolbox. Clicking the gears opens up map settings where you can change the name of your map, you can add description, and then you've got 4 menus in here. Map markers and graphics is where you can change all the markers on your map. You have the ability to add labels, things like that. Base map is where you can change the actual base map, plus you have a plethora of customizations that you can do in here to your base map. Here you've got shared and presentation maps. This is where you have the option of turning on tools and turning off any tools your shared users don't need. Other settings is where you can find some simple settings for the program, show user location, miles to kilometers is here, etc. That's your overview on map settings. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.